Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung device to OnePlus Pad Go. Begin by launching Play Store on both. Then download free app called Send Anywhere, and when it's ready, launch it. Following that, use the same options in both apps to set them up. I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm. Continue. Allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can tap on Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Then tap on your device's displays and select Send at the bottom left corner of Samsung. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of OnePlus. Also on Samsung, using all of those categories at the top, you can select all of your files that you wish to send. When you finished, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then hit Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. To connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and hit Receive. To scan the QR code though, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close an ad. Tap on while using the app in the pop-up, and then sometimes before that you need to close an ad. Then point tablet's camera at the code and wait. Then usually you have to close a second ad, but there is some problem here, so I will just close my app and turn it on again to show you. That all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!